Quiet on set. Understanding on-set lingo. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase you've probably heard in movies about making movies. Quiet on set. This phrase is a staple in the film industry and it has a specific meaning and purpose. Let's explore what it's all about. Quiet on set is a directive used in the film and TV industry to indicate that filming is about to begin and that all noise should cease. It's a crucial part of the on-set etiquette to ensure that the audio recorded during the scene is as clear as possible. It's not just about being silent. It's about respecting the process of capturing a performance. The importance of quiet on set cannot be overstated. Background noise can ruin a take, which costs time and money. It also shows respect for the actor's concentration and the crew's focus. When this command is given, all conversations, movements, and any other potential disturbances need to stop immediately. Typically, the phrase is called out by the assistant director, AD, but it can also be announced by the director or a sound technician. It's a signal for everyone on set, regardless of their role, to be mindful of the recording. After quiet on set is called, you'll often hear rolling, indicating that the cameras and sound equipment are recording. Then comes action, the cue for the actors to start their performance. Once the take is over, the director will say, "Cut," and normal activity can resume. And that's a wrap on Quiet on Set. We hope this video has shed some light on this common phrase you hear on film sets and why it's so important. Remember, a quiet set is the canvas for the magic of film and television. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and how it's used in different industries.